Hey, fellow tech enthusiasts, welcome to Joaquin Fagundo's channel. Ever wondered if the world's biggest tech companies are about to break up? Microsoft and OpenAI were once the dynamic duo, with their collaboration promising the future of artificial intelligence. But now, the air is thick with competition and rising tensions. Microsoft is stepping into the spotlight with its own AI initiative, MAI Microsoft AI, which may just shake up the AI landscape. Is this a move to reduce their reliance on OpenAI? Will the open-source AI world be the next big thing? And most importantly, how does all of this affect the future of AI that you and I are about to experience? Let's dive in and find out. A rocky road to AI glory, the Microsoft OpenAI partnership. For years, Microsoft and OpenAI were thick as thieves. Microsoft invested around $13 to $14 billion into OpenAI, making them their exclusive cloud provider on Azure. In the world of AI, that partnership seemed unstoppable, with Microsoft's support being crucial for OpenAI's growth. But as with all good things, tension started to build up. Microsoft began wondering, hey, why not make our own AI and reduce our dependence on OpenAI's costly services? And what did they do? They started developing their own advanced AI model, a move that could change everything. Enter MAI, Microsoft's secret weapon. Microsoft's new internally developed AI models, reportedly called MAI, are designed to power their Copilot system, which helps with writing documents, managing spreadsheets, coding, and more. Copilot has been heavily relying on OpenAI's models for a while, but Microsoft now wants to move away from that. They're testing MAI internally, and sources say that these models perform just as well as OpenAI's and Anthropic's top-tier models, and could soon rival the legendary GPT models that we all know and love. But it's not just about creating a rival. Microsoft's endgame seems to be reducing AI costs. These advanced models come with a hefty price tag, and maintaining large language models for millions of users can cost an arm and a leg. To power the AI assistants behind products like Chat, AI chips alone can cost $10,000 to $30,000 per chip. And don't get me started on the price of server racks, which can hit over $500,000. Microsoft is clearly trying to bring these costs down. The sky-high price of OpenAI agents. Speaking of costs, if you've been keeping an eye on OpenAI, you know things are getting spicy. OpenAI's AI agents are said to have a monthly fee that could go as high as $220,000 if you want one with top-tier Fed-level research capabilities. Yes, you read that right. That's $220,000 a month. And guess who's biting? SoftBank apparently committed $3 billion to buy these AI agents in 2025 alone. Some believe they'll be worth it if these agents perform tasks at the level of skilled professionals in finance or research. But let's be honest, paying $10,000 or $20,000 a month for advanced AI assistants sounds a bit insane, right? Especially when some smaller startups offer coding agents for as little as $500 a month. Big difference. So here's the burning question. Are AI assistants really worth the high price tag? Or is it just a lot of hype to push the AI tech further into the mainstream? Could it be that the best solution is still human expertise, but AI is just here to complement that? Microsoft's shift in strategy with OpenAI. But wait, it gets juicier. Microsoft recently moved away from being OpenAI's exclusive cloud provider. It's not a full breakup, but a reduction in their exclusive relationship. Now, Microsoft has the right of first refusal, meaning they can still host OpenAI's workloads, but OpenAI is free to use other cloud providers, including Oracle. This shift in relationship is a clear signal that Microsoft is no longer interested in solely relying on OpenAI. This marks a fundamental change in the way Microsoft is handling AI infrastructure and partnerships. Microsoft's $80 billion AI investment. And if you think $220,000 a month for AI agents is wild, Microsoft is stepping it up with its own plans. Microsoft intends to invest around $80 billion in AI data centers in the fiscal year 2025. And it's not just limited to the US. India is also getting a hefty chunk of that investment. This huge AI infrastructure push is aimed at developing the next generation AI models, including MAI, and offering better services to both individual developers and enterprise customers. Reasoning AI, the secret sauce. But it's not just the money that's interesting. Microsoft's research is pushing the boundaries of AI, especially with the development of reasoning models. Rumor has it that these models can handle multi-step logical problems, taking the AI's planning and reasoning skills to a whole new level. Could this be the secret sauce that gives Microsoft a competitive edge over OpenAI's models in the long run? The possibilities are thrilling. The concept of reasoning AI could allow AI to tackle more complex tasks that require planning, like solving intricate problems or generating more coherent long-form content. Introducing the Belief State Transformer, BEST. Now, if all this tech jargon is making your head spin, let me break it down for you in simpler terms. Microsoft's researchers have come up with an innovative approach to sequence modeling called the Belief State Transformer, BEST. This new method allows the AI to predict both the next and previous tokens in a sequence, instead of just relying on the next token. It's like having a two-way street of information, making the AI smarter and more capable of solving tasks that require long-term planning. For example, imagine you're navigating a star graph where you need to select the right path from a starting point to the end goal. Traditional models might cheat by ignoring the goal and guessing random paths. But with Belief State Transformer, the AI has to think about the goal first and plan accordingly. This makes Belief State Transformer a lot better at solving complex tasks that require reasoning and logical thinking. What's the impact of BEST? In practice, BEST has shown to drastically outperform traditional models, especially when it comes to tasks like story generation. Microsoft tested Belief State Transformer on a dataset called Tiny Stories, and guess what? The results were impressive. Stories generated by Belief State Transformer had smoother transitions, a logical flow, and better structure. Compared to traditional forward-only models, BEST stories read more like a well-constructed narrative rather than a jumbled mess of words. Microsoft's new approach could change the way we think about AI-generated content. Whether it's for creative writing, technical explanations, or problem-solving, BEST opens up a whole new realm of possibilities for generating better, more coherent output. The future of AI is Microsoft the new king. With MAI, Reasoning AI, and the Belief State Transformer, Microsoft is setting itself up for a future where it's no longer just a supporting player in the AI world. They're building AI solutions that could potentially rival OpenAI, and maybe even surpass them. As they push forward with their investments in AI infrastructure, it's clear that they're playing the long game. In the coming years, we might see Microsoft's Copilot and other AI-powered products leveraging their own models, cutting costs, and improving performance. And who knows? Maybe they'll be the ones setting the bar for AI development, not OpenAI. The battle continues. Microsoft versus OpenAI. As things stand, Microsoft and OpenAI are not just partners, they are now frenemies. They are collaborating on some fronts, but competing fiercely on others. The rising costs of AI development, especially with models like OpenAI's $220,000/month agents, are forcing both companies to innovate faster and smarter. Will this lead to cheaper, more efficient AI solutions for businesses and consumers? Only time will tell. But one thing is for sure, the AI arms race is heating up, and we are in for a wild ride. More competition means faster innovation, and who knows? Maybe we'll all get access to next-level AI capabilities sooner than expected. That's all for today's video. If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Joaquin Fagundo's channel for more deep dives into the latest tech trends. And hey, if you want more behind-the-scenes scoops on all things AI, just smash that notification bell so you don't miss out on any future videos. Catch you in the next one, and trust me, the best is yet to come.